house. Show y'all what's in the garage, man. AMG, man. We got the keys right here, man. Alright, that's why I said you didn't have to follow me, innit? $8,000, man. Like those big bucks at that. Big bucks at that. You know what I'm saying? On the light tip. You know? 30 some floors up, man. That's how we keep it, man. You know what I'm saying? That's how we keep it. City feast. Man. I ain't drove my shit in 2 days, man. And then it'd be a cold start for y'all. Like number food. Check out what goes on. When you get on the elevator, you gotta can't leave you home. Can't go nowhere. Can't go nowhere, you ain't got the tires, man. But yeah, then it'd be a cold start for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Slight tip. You know? All right, shout out to Mother. Shout out Iceman Nick, man. You know what I'm saying? All in the ring. All V's, none of that damn shit. We gonna keep going, though. What's going on, bro?
What's up, bro?
Not much. But yeah, you didn't do a cold start, you know what I'm saying? And he drove for 2 days, man. That's it, huh? Stay tuned, bro. I might change it for something else. Stay tuned. For sure. 220 on the pad, let's go ahead, man. Let's see what 220 sounds like. Let's see what this motherfucker sound like, man. Like I said, I ain't drove in 2 days. GTS, man. Take it again, man. I want to get up in there, man. Check it out. I got the carbon fiber package all through this motherfucker. 220 on the dash. Alcantara on the steering wheel, man. Let's take a look on the outside, though. Over here right here. Carbon fiber all through this motherfucker. From the back, from the side, from the mirror. Take a look in front of it, bro. Real toy, man. Real toy. Got the spoiler kit on the back. Make sure you get that right up. AMG boy, man. You know what I'm saying? AMG boy, man.
Pop the hood. Pop the hood.
A lot of motherfuckers don't know. This car's considered a mid-engine. Just simple fact, the engine started in the back, but check it out. Keep the hood. You see how long the hood is? How wide open? And the engine right here, the twin turbo started right here behind the fucking wheel. Mid-engine car, man. That's how bad, man. Man. Hey, a lot of people hitting me up too, man, about how to start AIRBNB and shit like that. But there's a lot of shit motherfuckers don't even talk about, just, you know, regarding AIRBNB and like what type of units to look for, shit like that. A lot of motherfuckers be under that, yeah, find somebody that got a crib and put them on a contract type shit, man. A lot of these motherfuckers don't even like networking. And I got a solution for y'all, man. A lot of motherfuckers not even talking about it. But stay tuned, man. That's on another video, man. So So another video though, man. And we out in AZ, man. Out in Phoenix and shit. Out in AZ, baby. Let the car idle down, you know, to that one RPM type shit, 1 to 2 RPM. My shit still looks pretty high, so we can't do nothing right now. Might make a couple of rounds and shit. Amex.Buckz. Downtown Phoenix. It's a little piece of mind, you know, some vibe type shit. So I be out here just chilling, man. Chilling, man, with my feet up type shit.